In today's video, I want to go over why a one vendor backup solution is the best option for your data storage needs. Specifically, I'll be talking about a Synology NAS paired with the Synology hard drives. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. First, let's address the concept of a one vendor solution. When all of your hardware and software comes from the same company, it's designed to work seamlessly together. There's no guessing about compatibility and no tinkering to make different systems talk to each other. Everything just works as it should right out of the box. That's the beauty of owning a Synology NAS with Synology hard drives. Synology was kind enough to send over their DS923 Plus NAS, so expect more videos on how to set up the NAS and how some certain things work. One of the standout features of this ecosystem is Disk Station Manager, or DSM. It's not just a NAS operating system. It's fully featured, user-friendly platform that simplifies everything. Want automated backups? It's got you covered. Need remote access to your files from anywhere? That's built in. Looking to stream your media collection? No problem. DSM even has powerful security features like end-to-end encryption and malware protection to keep your data safe. And what's great is that Synology keeps updating DSM with new features and improvements, so your NAS actually gets better over time. Now, let's talk about the drives. Synology hard drives are purpose-built for their NAS systems. These drives are tested and optimized specifically for Synology devices so they can perform better and last longer. For example, they're designed to handle 24/7 workloads, which is exactly what you need in a NAS. Plus, when you pair Synology drives with Synology NAS, you get advanced health monitoring features. The NAS can give you real-time status updates on the drives and even predict potential failures before they even happen. This proactive approach is a lifesaver, especially when you're storing critical data. Another big advantage of sticking with one vendor solution is the simplicity of support. If something ever goes wrong, you don't have to play the blame game between different manufacturers. Synology's support team can help you troubleshoot both the NAS and the drives because they're all a part of the same system. Expandability is another area where Synology shines. If you're starting small but expect your storage needs to grow, a Synology NAS makes it super easy to scale. You can add more Synology drives or even attach an expansion unit without worrying about compatibility. And DSM makes managing all that storage incredibly easy. Finally, let's talk about value. Sure, there are cheaper options out there, but you get what you pay for. With Synology, you're investing in a system that's built to last. You're not just buying a NAS or set of drives, you're buying peace of mind. Your data is secure, your system is reliable, and everything works together perfectly. So whether you're a content creator like me, a photographer, a small business owner, or even just someone who wants a rock-solid backup system for their family's digital memories, I highly recommend going with one vendor solution like Synology. It's efficient, reliable, and worth every penny. And that's basically it. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like, and if you want to see more of my videos, make sure to check this one right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.